Good morning, traders. Welcome to Mini Thunderdome. It is November 30th, last day of the month, 2023. Hope everyone's doing well. As always, this is pure entertainment. I am only narrating the market, and you have the, I don't want to say privilege, but you can watch me take my own personal trades. Not supposed to be following my trades. Supposed to be doing your own homework, and chances are, if we both are going the same directions, that we could be in the right track as always. All right. Oh my God, crazy opening. Ah, yeah. Um, Pretty narrow range at the opening, and then I believe this was a report that it was a Chicago PMI that just blasted the market up. I'd taken already 4 trades, and I am done. I thought I was going to get my butt kicked. I took 2 scalps, and then, well, here I'll show exactly what I was going for. Where is it? All right. 1 second here. What is going on? So I took market, it opened up. Let's see here. So the market opened up. I went long, scalped. I knew it was going to be a tough opening because I was even expecting us to be at 79. I thought that we had solid resistance at 78. So I was quite surprised. So I took a long scalp, and then I took a short scalp, and then I said, okay, it looks like it's holding, and I had a target of 79.30, and I went long, and it started to go against me, and I got scared. I thought that it was gonna go for a gap closure, and I had to scale in, and I got scared. I said I better exit because I think it's gonna give me a chance to scale in and get a quick little scalp. And no, it went all the way to target. And I said, okay, I'm done trading the CL. I'm pissed now. And then I saw an opportunity, and I just took another short, and I picked up 40 ticks. So yeah, I was lucky. Okay, reset. There could be a chance again, and I took it, and I got lucky. So yeah, but if it could hold 79, I think we may go and challenge 78. But 80 is still the big dog target until we start to fill in volume above or below. All right, let me take this out. But it seems like the market rejected making a new high. All right, so we need to go and take a little break anyways, because there's pending home sales in about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna take a quick little pee, and I'm gonna go and switch over to MCL. Oh, here we go. Geopolitical. Yemen reports of explosions in the capital, Sana'a, which is controlled by the Houthi rebels. According to some reports, The explosion occurred in a weapons depot following missiles fire at it. So it's probably the U.S. firing missiles. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Quick restroom break. Be careful. Don't take any trades until the report comes out. I'll be right back. All right. Market is whipsawing everywhere. Oh, almost done here. All right. The market is whipsawing everywhere. There is no clear winner as far as trend. The only thing is that we're up 25. So even though I think that we could test 78, I am completely lost which way is a scalp and which way is a trend. I took the short because I had several targets from what was it? I erased them already, but I think it was from 57 all the way to 30. I have a solid hot target. Well, we've been talking about it, 78.30. So that is still on the table. And that's why when I took my long, I got scared. I go, oh, we still got those targets. Maybe it's going to do a gap closure. So if 79 can hold, we may see that 78.30 or 78 flat. So I'm going to do a 3-lot MCL and I'm going to leave one runner. See if we could hit. So I'm looking for a fail again at 79.30 if 79 can't hold. Oh, a whole bunch of icebergs are going off. So are they trying to hold 79 or are we going to go and launch? You can't really see it. Can't really see it here, but in a 1 minute, you can see how it's stalled. Is it? Oh, that's 1 second. On a 1 minute, where is it? You can't even see it either. But if you go into a tick chart, you'll see that it went up and down here between 37 and 27 on this bar here, on these two bars. So I believe that could be a soft little target. Above, we still have a whole bunch of open gaps from a while back already, what, 2 weeks back? And then we have open back gap from yesterday underneath. So challenging day. And then there's Geo and there's also tomorrow. What is tomorrow's unemployment? Or is it PMI? It's both unemployment and PMI. So how far up are they? Can they take it if they want to take it? Yeah, I am quite surprised that we are above 78. In my homework, my analysis yesterday, 78 was solid resistance. So now it may act as support. What a crazy afternoon yesterday, huh? I guess I was super lucky on that last trade, and God took me out of that one because I would have been maybe stuck on the bias. So, now I am not upset at all with that mistake. All right, so here we are above those icebergs. So maybe we should do a FIBO, have an idea. I believe it should start here, but not sure. So, oh, look at that. So 61 is coinciding with a century number. Icebergs are going off. But I'm not going to go and take a blind trade. But there could be a short. And the short to go and test 78.30. My only issue is, where do I put my stop? All right, I'm going to take it. High risk trade. High risk trade. So I'm going to go for a quick scalp and leave a runner. Only doing it because it's MCL and I got some good profits already. Come on, get me out. Let's go. Come on. Fail. Go. Bust through 79. Hot knife that. So, two major targets to the downside. 78.30 and then 78 flat. I think it's going to take me out. $71. Come on, show me a 0.95. Come on. Oh, no. Maybe those were by icebergs. I'm going to give myself 2 more ticks here, but I think I'm dead in the water. All right, if it reverses and it goes under 79, I'm going to go and clear everything at 43. Yeah, I should have waited for 30. Yeah. It's going to go to 30. Man, I knew it and I did it anyways. I was stupid. Very stupid of me. $15. Oh, there's interest at 15. One solid player. Gonna go up two more ticks. Let's see if he could block it. There's 31 orders at 0.15 ticks. And it looks like 25 is one solid player. So we got POC at 05. They're starting to sell. We got VWAP at 94. So I want to see it clear 94. If it goes all the way down to 86, I'm going to lower everything to 43. Oh, absorption. 100 absorbed. Yeah, I'm not feeling this trade. Told myself I was going to wait and I didn't. So I broke my rule. $30. You know what? I'm going to go. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Right on target. Yeah, that was. All right. Now I'm starting to. Wow, that got volatile. What was that? Yeah, I'm just gonna get myself get stopped out. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to save that, but no. What the hell was that? There's no news. Yeah, I was completely right, going all the way to 30, and dumbass me took a short. And I'm risking $194. All right. I'm gonna add three more. So I'm almost at a full CL. 10 MCL is a full CL, right? That screwed up my, what the hell is that? Oh, I erased them all. I didn't want to do that. Come on. So either I have a chance to exit this or I could let it ride. Right, I think I'm going to exit this. Yeah, I'm going to exit. I'll leave one. Did I miss my opportunity? I think I missed it. Yeah, I think I missed the opportunity. All right, now I'm risking $236. Yeah, it's going to take me out. I'm going to give myself a couple more ticks here. But I think I'm dead in the water. Yeah, should have been taking a short here. Not being stuck on a short from 94. What an idiot. Or I'm seeing some absorption. All right, I'm going to take a chance. Let's go. $50 iceberg just hit. 48. I'm going to give myself a little more room here. Let's see. Let's see if these icebergs are sell. Yeah, there's a hot box from, what is it? Oh, it's actually 45. I'm right at it. All right. I should be above 50. Not ideal trading, that's for sure. Now I'm risking $326 to make 646. Oh, why am I missing 2? That's only 7. Huh. Stop. Report coming out. That's weird. That's weird. How did that happen? I must have erased it. Yeah, kind of going on tilt here. Should have listened to my own rule. So I said if it doesn't hold 79, it's going to go to 79.30. And instead, I took a trade. So I didn't listen to my own analysis. That's the problem when you start to make money and your ego kicks in and you feel, oh, I could do no wrong. I got this. And boom. Get my ass kicked. Yeah, market is pretty even on the rips. So no clear winner as far as trending, except that the market is up. So there's, but we still have 80 right above. But I think the clue is that it failed to make a new high. It failed to make a new high. That that is the only clue I'm seeing that we may try to close the gap. So there was enough sellers right at the high and I don't think that is too far back. Let's see. I don't think that was an algo. Where is it? Let me go back in time here. Yeah, it was not an algo. Oh, it was an algo. Okay. So that's even better. So I now go all the way to 60. It hit 150 stops and it couldn't go any higher. So that could be a clue that we may go under. So this could just be a recheck of this drop here. So return of the scene or return to the scene of the crime. Here we go. Here we go. Hot knife, that's 79. And that's why I was going short. But I should have waited for 30 because that was really good consolidation from here. So either I exit now Market is giving me a chance to go and exit, or do I believe in my trade? Do I stick to my trade, or do I say, hey, I'm lucky to be able to exit? Well, what I'm going to do for sure is lower my risk, because it's going to go up. It's going to go up and take me out. So I'm going to give it a chance. Let's see if my analysis is correct. Maybe I should just exit at 78.51. But I still believe that 78.31 is hot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and look at the overnight, because it was hot during RTH, but obviously it went through during ETH. So I want to see if it is spent. So I'm looking at the overnight. So there is a lot of consolidation there. So but what is the low? 77.46. 77. Oh, I think it's going to go to 78. There's a weak swing that it pierced 78 and immediately bounced back. I think a lot of traders got caught. Let's see. So that was at 3:46 a.m. So now I'm going to go back and check, see if there's any news at 3:46 a.m. 3:46 a.m. So, it was the OPEC meeting. And the market has not revisited that level since that. Oh, it came close. Ooh, it came close at 7 a.m. No, I'm looking at the wrong place. No, it hasn't. So that could still be on the table. All right. I'm going to leave a runner. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. $43. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Ha! Go, go, go. Yes. Ha ha. So we need to clear between 70 and 60. We could do that. I think it's going to go over the target. So another great example why I should always be under leverage, so I'm able to move my stop. But if you're a beginner, if you're on a evaluation, obviously you can't do that, because it could kill your, what is it called again? Drawdown or something. So this is advanced trading. This is when you, and this is why I always say, make your money on your evaluations, your PA, so you could open your own account, so you're able to trade like this. Go, go, go. Oh my God, it's gonna go. Oh, I'm tempted to clear some. Oh, I am tempted to clear some already. Risk off. So I can't say that I got lucky because I knew that 30 was a target. I knew that it was support and resistance. So there was a big chance that it was a short from there. And as we see, it was. So I stuck to my trade. And it looks like it may pay off if we can get under 60. So again, hot target 78.32. Then I have a soft target at 78.06, and then 78 I believe is big resistance. It will almost close the gap. If you're not in this yet, maybe you can get in. Well, not a recommendation, but 66 could be an add-on to go all the way down to 30. So if I didn't have already 9, I would have thought about adding one more at 66. It looks like it was a small pullback to go and keep going. But high risk add because we are almost at double bottom. So there's definitely going to be a lot of buyers at 50. You know, I'm going to do... Oh, I was just about to add one more. And it moved. Shoot. All right. I'm going to leave it alone. I was about to click sell. And it moved on me. All right. Go, go, go. Man, I would have been killing it if it was CL. Go, go, go. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Go, 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 go. Oh. Go right through. Go. Oh. Go. Yes. Yes. Oh. Hell yeah. Ah. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, holy. Yeah, boys and girls, stick to your trade. Go, go, go. Oh, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Oh, my God. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. That's it. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Yes. Yes. Ugh. Nice. That's how it's done. Yes. Woo. Oh my God. Yes. That's the way to stick to your trade. Believe in your analysis. Oh, that was nice. I gotta say, I was scared for a second though. I was like, oh, you're adding to a bad trade. This is not the example that you want to give. But hey, I was sticking to my trade. I knew that 30 was gonna be heavy resistance. All right, these targets are all done. All done. Boom. Yes. Look at that. So gap almost closed. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God. If that was CL, I would have that would have been insane. But I'm happy. Hey, oh my God. Oh, all right. I need to calm down a little bit. Hell yeah. I almost had that add-on at 66. I would have been, what, another 70 bucks, I think? Man, that was nice. Hell yeah. Nice trade. Nice trade. I hope somebody took it. Let me know if any of you guys went along in that trade. Woo! Man, that was exciting. It just went. So we could be on an ABC. So this could be a maximum C. It could be a maximum C. Yep. Let me get my FIBO here. Let's see what it will show. So go all the way. Yeah, I think that could be. All right, let's do the FIBO here. Extend. Ooh, Ninja Trader, new release of Ninja Trader. Okay. All right, so if, let me, gotta open my chart more so I could do the full FIBO here. Okay. Okay, so if it turns into a wave 3, it's going to go all the way down to 77.65, which will close the gap. But I believe that 78, I'll be very surprised if we go under. Very surprised. Ah, quite a few of you guys took that short. Good for you. Wow. Some nice entries. Good for you guys. Nice. Well, your analysis was spot on, just like mine was. Good for you. Hell yeah. Yeah. Nice. Hold on one second. I'm replying to a couple of you guys' email. All right. All right. There could be a pullback long here. So there could be a long trade all the way up to 44, and if it keeps going all the way to 55. All right, I'm done trading. That was a big move. I'm very happy. On CL, that is an amazing trade. I'm done. So now on, I'm only going to narrate. So there could be a long, well, it already hit 45. So if, yeah, I would, yeah, it already did a small ABC here. So if you're still if you're still on the long side, there could be a long from 32 going all the way 255, or it's a short, so small pullback and then a short all the way down to 74. It may test opening price. So I am yeah. Yeah, there could be a short all the way here. But again, 78, what we went all the way down to what? To '06. Man, I'm glad I got out. What was my exit? I think I was trying to get out at '03. Glad I got out. I got out at 11. Yeah, I think I was trying to get out at '03. Glad I raised it. So there could be a short here. Yeah, I'm glad I stuck to my trade. I didn't stick to that trade I had earlier this morning. I was long 6CL. I could have killed it. Oh my God. And I got out, I think, with 10 ticks or 12 ticks. I could have had a 40 tick trade with 6CL. That's a lot of money. So I'm glad that the second trade, I stuck to it, believed in my analysis, and it paid off. MCL paid off. Not much what I'm used to, but $700, I can't complain. Oh no. So amazing day. It's gonna pay this week. I already took a payout yesterday, so it's gonna pay for me missing out tomorrow and Monday. All right, there could be a short here, guys. Minimum to 74. And if I was to take the short, I would have to have my stop above 46. So already moving. 30 tick trade already. And here we are. Wow, right at 78. Yeah, I knew 78 was going to be hot. I knew it. Now we need to see if it's going to act as support or resistance. All right, 78 hit. Boom, target done. So the gap, it closes at 82. So if I was short, I would be above the gap. There's going to be a lot of buyers there, or it could be done. Oh, look at that. Gap closed. Boom. Ah. And there it is. Target. Boom. Another beautiful trade. Wow. And beyond. Next target is 25. Wow, I can't believe we are under. See, you never know. Oh my God, it's still going. So maybe we are done with 80. If you guys recall, I did say that the clue was that it failed to make a new high with an algo during a report. It should have hot knifed and made at least a 2-tick new high, and it didn't. So that was the clue. And I said there's only one clue, and that could be the clue. All right, so this just happened. This move here just happened because of OPEC. OPEC cuts to be announced by members individually according to delegates. Okay, so this was a OPEC move. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken this trade, so I can't say that I would have taken because I was afraid of 78. Maybe I would have gone for a scalp, but if you were courageous enough to go to target, good for you. Good for you. Wow. So we just made a weak new low. So are we done? On the downside, gap closed. I think we are done. I think we are done. Let's see. Oh, wow, they're still selling. So let's see if it can make a new low or if they hold it. I believe we are done. I think there could be a long from here. Oh, no, it's still going. Wow. And here we are at the second target, 25. New low, 28. Wow, what a trade. So it hit both of the targets. So that was short from 29 all the way down to both targets. Wow. That is insane. Ah, absolutely insane. How it just turns on a dime, huh? This is why I love crude. That is insane. And now we're negative 23, so we're still at the point that they could turn this around and go back to positive. We saw that yesterday. So never discard a reversal in crude. Wow. You know what, guys? All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and put all of my charts in sim. I want to make sure I don't get tempted to take a trade. All right, I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, I think it's gonna get pretty insane now, and I don't want to get, I don't want to fall into taking any trades. As always, if I wasn't streaming, I would have been done. Actually, I would have been done after my scalps. This last trade, I wouldn't have taken. I would have been already having breakfast, getting ready for my appointment tomorrow, mentally ready. So now is 78 gonna turn into the resistance that I thought it was. Could be. Let's see. What an exciting morning. Insane. So 4 great days. Beautiful end of the month. But I did break 2 rules. So I'm going to have to go and journal that. One is that I told myself that I was going to trade MCL only today. And I took CL trades. And then I should have waited for that 30. Which would have been even a greater trade because I would have had 30 more ticks. More. I would have had 20, 35 more ticks on the trade. So, yeah. Oh, gotta follow my rules. So look at that. 78 acting as resistance. We went up to what? 92. If 75 holds, there could be another short going all the way down to 78. 76.78. I think that it may just test the low. But we are seeing zigzag corrections. So we did do that wave 3. So what may happen is we may do a zigzag up to go and do a wave 4. So I would be careful with shorts, but it can go and retest at least 40. So there could be a short from 74 all the way down to 40 to do a deeper wave B. Whoops. And that's wave 4. So let's see. Let's see if we have a 30. There it is. 30 tick trade. Another one. Boom. All the way to 40. So I suspect that it may find support here to go and finish a wave 4 up. So there could be a long trade here. But again, 78. Oh, look at that new low. Whoo! Wow. I'm glad I'm not trading. So first target, if it keeps going, is going to be 76.80 and then all the way down to 76 even. So we failed to make a new low. So it could still be a wave C up to go and finish a wave 4. As long as we don't make a new low, it's still considered a wave C up if we surpass 77.90. Wow, what a reversal. Wow, some amazing trades this morning, huh? Beautiful targets. Just go, go, go. So it looks like it's holding. So this could be a long. And it would be a low risk long because we have a low, right? So I will know exactly where to put my stop. So there could be at least a 50-point tick trade up. So I would have gone long at, I would have started thinking about going long at 40. But it has picked up momentum to the upside. I'm sorry, to the downside, right? All of the large swings are all down, but we're still at that point that it can reverse. We're only 30 ticks negative. So a long is high risk. I would make sure that I was under leveraged. Because we still have a target of 76.80. But I would have gone for it. I would have taken a chance. 12-point tick stop. That's not bad. But momentum is to the downside. And there it is. Boom. Stopped out. I would have been stopped out and almost at target. Wow. Yeah. I guess you don't want to be in front of the train. It is just barreling anchors away big time. Wow. So first target 76.80 and then second target 76 even. Wow. Glad I stopped trading. And there it is, target again. Wow. Huh. I am baffled that we're under. So I guess it's all OPEC. Huh. Target hit. So we're almost at a maximum wave 3. And this is why you gotta walk away once you have profits, or if you're not doing well, you gotta walk away to come back and get a fresh perspective. Because when the ego kicks in, you think you're invincible. Yeah, I would have gotten stopped out on that long instead of believing on the short from 74, another whole point down. Right? It was a short at 77.74, and here we are at 72. Absolutely insane. So are we done with 80? Could be. This is a major fail. Whole bunch of icebergs just went off. About 300 icebergs just. Is that how many? 150, 250. 250 icebergs just hit. All at target. Well, that is a pretty long, so it's a higher time frame wave 3 probably then. Or an extended wave 3 in this time frame. So are these icebergs, are they buy or are they sell? So now it's looking like anything long should be a scalp. And anything to the downside, long targets. So now here is wave 4. If it pulls back. So a test of 78. That could be on the table. A test of 78. So I think in order to solidify that we are pulling back, we need to go and clear 77.50. But it will probably do an ABC. Because here it looks like a 5-wave pattern. So those icebergs could be buys. Wow, a lot of interest at 77.8. A lot of absorption on the buy side. Yeah, right now, best bet if I was still trading would be take no trades. Because I'm scattered now. Is it still gonna keep going down? I have still targets to the downside, but is the market gonna go and follow structure, or is it just long time? I mean, long. How do you say it? Larger time frame traders. So with these big moves, it could be all institutional, and I am looking. So I should be looking at a 1 hour. So this looks like it's institutional or banks took over, and I am completely lost. So follow the trend. The trend is down, but there could be a pullback all the way to 70. It looks like it's moving already. And then to 77.20 to maybe do that ABC. But if I didn't have to go and take it any more trades, I wouldn't. Because now it's hard to figure out where is the pullback going to end. Is going to keep going, do a complete reversal all the way to 78. So this would be a great time to take a break and let this market cool down to come back, because it's definitely looking like large lot traders have taken over. So you don't want to stand in their way, but what is their way? Are they done going south? Is there more room on the downside? I still have targets on the downside. Yeah. I would either would have called it or taken at least a 1 hour break. It is getting too choppy. But some big moves. One whole dollar. Is that a dollar? Yeah, that is one whole dollar. Yeah, we had two. We had two moves of whole. One was 1.5, the other 1.3. Yeah, some big moves. Yeah, definitely institutional trading. So either I should have stayed on the trade and not touched it. Okay, I'm going short and that's it. I'm not gonna go and touch it. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right, this was an algo. We could be done here. That was an algo hit. Wow, that was almost 300 algo hit. We could be done here. And right to target. Huh. Wow. So next target is 76.5. Yeah. Right, there could be another short. So there could be a short from here going down all the way to 76. First obstacle is going to be 35. And then if it keeps going, right there. Needs to stay under 76.68. $134 iceberg just hit with that algo. Wow. And we were $1.50 positive, and now we are $1.25 negative. What a range. So I have a really, now I forgot to take a look at that one. I have a really hot target of 75.61. 75.61. And there we are. Target hit. Next soft target 76.16 and then 76.06. Another iceberg. There it is. Target hit again. Yeah, I think I would have been stuck on the A long bias, and I would have given everything back. Even though I'm calling out these shorts, in my mind, I would have been stuck. I'm glad I am done trading. I would have not. I wouldn't have believed it. I would have said, no, it's done. It's going to pull back. And I would have gotten my ass kicked. So almost 76. So it may do a pullback to 60 to go and initiate the short again. Wow, another 86 tick trade. So I have a soft target of 75.85 and then a super hot one at 75.61. Right. This could be the next short. Got to clear the 30s. Could clear that. It's going to keep going. So we got to clear in between 30 and 19. Iceberg, 50 iceberg. So this, if it's going to keep going, it's going to go all the way down to 76 even. Here we go. Let's see if it could do a violent new low hitting 76.06, which is our target. New low. So another 25-point trade. And it's going to go. Ooh, that found a little bit of support. Wow, that found support, guys. We could be done here. There could be a long. That found support. No, there it is. It needs to make a violent new low all the way to 76. Otherwise, it could be a long from 27 all the way up to 61. So if it can't make a new low, it's going to go all the way back up to 60. Oh, iceberg that was waiting at target at 76.05. Oh, they raised it to 15 and they lowered it again to 05. So they are trying to pull the market down. They teased it. And there it is. Target all the way down. Wow. All the way down. Wow. Soft target hit and hot target hit. Insane. Wow. Oh, whoa. Whoa. That was 30. That was 1,000 lot that just went through. 1,000 that just went through in this move. Okay, I believe now we are done. That is a big move. Hit the hot target. We also hit the top of a gap. Oh my God. Yeah. There could be a long. I'm glad I'm out. This is insane. Another $1.06 move. Yeah, I believe that the gap is gonna turn into support. So I would be thinking of a long from 64 all the way up to 76. All the way up 76. So a 40 tick trade. First target 80. If it could hot knife 85 all the way to at least 94. There it is. Needs to hot knife 0.85 and then it will have another 10 tick. If it can't hot knife the 90s, then we're going to go and test 75 to go and close the gap. So if you're still on a short side, there could be a short from 73 all the way down to 75. I think it will test 76 first. Wow. That was insane. $4.36 range. Big moves. So the trade was to stay in that short from 77.74 all the way down to 76. That was the trade. Believe on the trade, stay on the trade. Would have been scale out. Here we are almost at target. It would have been scale out at 76.82 and let a runner go all the way to 76. So, wow. $1.70 tick trade. Absolutely insane. And to fantasize, oh, I wish I would have stayed in my short. Where did I go short? I think I went short. Where did I go short? 79.82 was my last ad. Is that what it was? 79.27. Fantasize a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, there's no way I would have stayed in that. Not even with a runner. That is pure fantasy. Pure fantasy. All right. We almost hit that target. Where did we stop? We stopped at 93. One tick away. One tick away. So that long scalp could be done. A long scalp could be done, and we could have another short initiating right now to go all the way down to 75. The only issue is that you gotta have a long stop. You gotta be at least above 92. But it could be the beginning of another short. So from, yeah. So it could be a short from a 67 all the way down to 75. But you gotta have a stop somewhere around here. But that was a lot of algos that hit all of this. It could be support. And plus it stopped right at the gap. It didn't go one tick under the gap. So that could be a clue. So maybe a retest of 30s and 40s. What a drop. Anchors away. Nimitz class anchors away. Insane. So first target on the short is 75 even, and if it keeps going, it's 74.50. The gap closes at 74.80, and there's major support, hot target at 74.66. So let's see. Another short called out. Looks like anything's possible this morning. Can't 75.02, first target. Another algo. This is insane. So it almost has completely engulfed 2 days of positive candles. Another 76 tick move down. Yeah, it's looking like a good trade. So that was short from, where did I call it? 70? Or I think it was 66 or something. And there it is. Almost that target. Ha! Wow. Another 50 tick trade. Absolutely insane. Right, there could be a pullback here. At least 20 ticks. So we just hit a soft target that I had at 09. Major target is 03. $75.03 is the major target. Hit the soft. There could be a pullback all the way to 40. The gap closes at 74.81. So if it's done, we're going all the way back to 76. So almost hit 75. They could be front running it and holding 75. The low is 09. I keep saying we could be done. I'm not going to say that anymore because it keeps surprising me. So I don't know if we're done or not, but there could be a pullback. There could be a pullback. But here we are. We hit that 40. So if it keeps going, it's going to go to 76. Otherwise, we're going to go and finish. To go and hit the next hot target of 74.64. So the clue is that it needs to hold this hot box here. That's the clue. Oh my God, what did I just do? Wow, I almost turned everything off. I almost turned the whole computer off. I touched the off button on the keyboard. All right, we're hot knifing this. So we are done. Target is 76. So would be a long from 24 all the way to 76. And that would be an ABC up. So A, B, C on a larger time frame. So let's see if we could do a 70 tick trade up. We had that hot target of 75.61. If it could clear that, I believe that we will see 76. If it can't go any further, then it's a short from 43. But it looks like it's pulling back. So if you're still on the downside, then this could be just a small ABC to go short and finish the last hot target. Close the gap and finish the less hot But I think we're going up to 76. I think we're going to go and test this right here. That to me is significant. It was where the big algo hit. It was 1,000 shares. So I think a lot of people got caught here. But it has picked up momentum to the downside. But the best bet is not to do anything. It is crazy market. But if I was to go and gamble on a trade, because right now everything is gamble. Everything is gamble. It would be a long at 24. And here we are again testing a C wave. I mean a B wave. And here we are all the way up. All right, so we just hit that hot target of 75.61. If we can clear that, it's going to go to 76. Iceberg, yeah, here we go. So I believe we're going to do another 75 tick trade up. All the way to 76. Or at least to 0.90. If I had taken this trade, I would get out early. And there it is. What did we hit? 89? 85. Yeah, I would think about exiting at 90 if I took the long at 24. Yeah, that is a trade that I would have taken. But now I would have been like, oh my God, should I exit? Should I exit? Is it done? Is it done? So I would have been sweating right now. I would have been, oh my God, 4 ticks, 4 ticks. I would have been freaking out. So true target is 76. I would have exited at 90. So need this hot target to go and hold. So that was 75.61, right? Need this to turn into support. A whole bunch of icebergs going off. Here it is. This needs to act as support and launch again. So there could be an add-on. If I was on the trade, might have thought about adding on. And leave a runner for 76. And if it finds momentum above 76, it's going to go all the way to this zone right here, which I think is very hot right there. Look at these candles. Sell, support, sell, huge sell. There was a lot of traders who got caught here. This to me is a definite hot target. In between 15 and 23. So I would have thought, okay, I'm going to believe in this trade and I'm going to add. I would have still scaled at 90 and let a runner for 76. But again, thank God I'm not trading. This is super volatile. Come on, hold, hold, hold. We don't want to see a 40 again. Oh, I gotta start erasing these targets. Got a whole bunch of targets that I didn't erase yet. Wow, tons of targets hit this morning. Absolutely insane. All right, I think it's gonna launch now. Yeah, I think it's gonna launch. Here we come. 92. Iceberg about to hit. And this is gonna be my last call, guys. I'm gonna end my day if we reach 76. So I would have been long at 24. Obviously, stop would have been underneath the low. Still have a target of 76, so my stop would have had to be underneath 76. Looks like this is a wave 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Launch again all the way to target. But I would have been sweating because I would have added. So it would have started to eat into my profits. If we get under 25, then it is starting to surpass a wave 4 and things have reversed. And all she had was 86 instead of 90. So if we see a 75, I'm done. If we see a 76, I'm done. Yeah, I would have been freaking out. 4 ticks to my exit. I would have been on. I would have been on tilt. Yeah, I think we are done on the downside. I think we're done. Looks like it wants to go and launch. I might have even thought about adding one more here. It looks like we are done with a wave 4. So I would have thought about adding another 60 and clearing 99% of them at 90 and leaving a runner for either 76 or right there 76.15. Getting pretty choppy. Here comes the buyers. I think it's going to launch. I think sellers are getting exhausted. Here we go. Now, this would have been a teeth grinder of a trade. But got to stick and believe on the trade. A lot of sellers trying to hold that hot target of 75.61. But it looks like they're starting to get exhausted. A lot of interest at 63, 40 lots, one big player with 30. He just got filled. He took it all. It could be an entry. So obviously this is going to be all resistance. If we clear this, straight to 76. So hitting that one big player, it created a little vacuum. Buyers need to step in again, otherwise it could create momentum and drop the market. But it looks like we're doing a ABC wave 4. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to target. Need to hot knife 70. And 70 is what? That is coinciding with yesterday's low, right? So that could be acting as resistance also. So we have that hot target of 0.61 and 0.68, which I believe it was yesterday's low. So all of that coinciding, traders going short, but it looks like they are starting to get absorbed. Definitely a nail biter. Iceberg, small 20 lot. Needs to find support at 40. Interest at 30. What is that? That is 30. 78 contracts waiting, and only 10 of it is institutional. Small lot. So it looks like institutional has gone flat. It looks like it's all small lot traders. I'm seeing many small trades on the time and sales. I think they are trapping sellers. Oh. So I probably would have been negative, right? Because I would have added at 60. So now I probably would have been negative, just sweating. Ah, look at that. Did that make a new low? No. No new low. A whole bunch of stops getting hit. 75 is still a hot target. I would have been freaking out. Glad I called it quits. So I was not able to make a new low. That could be a sign. $60 ticks down on that move. Yeah, maybe 86 was the end. It was a good trade till 86. If it can't hold 24 again, it's going to go and finish the gap. So if you're on the short bias, there could be a short from 22, from right there, all the way down to closing the gap at 81. So there could be a short. So from 22 all the way down to 81. All right. Now some large trades are coming in. Some 50 lots have gone off. And another big trade is going off right now. Another 60 lot at 80 lot. Another huge, what was that? That was 300 in trades going off, and target hit. Target hit, right? On the downside, that original trade. So new low, 75.05. I had called the short to 75.03 or '01. But I would have still been on my long because I would have had the stop under 75. But sweating, freaking out. Yeah, if it was a CL trade, I would have gotten out already. I would have just stayed on this trade, on the MCL trade. But a CL trade reversing 40 ticks, I wouldn't have left that kind of money on the table. No way. Yeah, very dangerous day. Glad I called it quits when I did. So we did a new low, but it was only 4 ticks. But slowly eating up into that gap. All right, another iceberg. Wow, a whole bunch of icebergs. Okay, I think we are done, guys. It's gonna be probably 700 or 800 in icebergs. Wow. 120 hit, a 50 hit, a 400 hit. Are they clearing trades? Another 200. It's going to be 800. 400. So that's 800, 100. That's almost 1,000 contracts going off. I think we are done on the downside. Yep. That is the most icebergs I've seen in quite a while. The average is about 500. So we had two 400s. We had 120. We had a 50. All in the same area. Yep, I think we are done. It looks like this long will survive. All the way to that hot box right there. Wow, that was a lot of contracts. And it looks like it was all, what time is that? That is 56. 56. Yeah. That was all large lot traders. Yeah, that's what time and sales are showing. Yeah, it looks like we're on our way back up. Another 125 in icebergs. That is a major hit. And we are above those icebergs. I think we're going up. We may have a major pullback. And that would be, wow, could be huge. It can go all the way to 76.70. So I'm extending this long to all the way up here. So major pullback, or at least to 50. So anywhere in here, I think we will revisit. But obviously the first clue is going to be to clear that hot target of 75.61. So market found big support, small new low. We are already 30 ticks up. I think we're done. Man, I would have been freaking out in this trade. So I would have gone long at 24. I would have added and re-added at 60. So probably I would have been long 10 MCLs, one whole CL. And as I mentioned, I would have to have my stop underneath 75 because that was a hot target, right? So I would have been on pins and needles. But seeing all of these icebergs, I would have started to come down. I would have said, okay, well, wow, that is a lot of icebergs in a strategic area, new small low with lots of buying. So I would have said, okay, I think we're going. But I believe I would have been negative here, right? Because I would have added a 60. So I think I would have been negative. Yeah, I would be tripping. I would be definitely on tilt. All right, here we go. So we need to go and clear this hot box here. If we clear that, we're gonna see 90. So I would clear at some, and maybe I wouldn't clear at 90 because now after having all of this heat, taking all of this heat, I probably would have raised to 76 and then a runner to 15. So I would have, yeah, I would have picked up another 10 tick. You got to always pay yourself for the aggravation that you're going through. All right, guys, that is 2 hours. I am done. I am spent without even taking a trade this past hour. That was insane. Absolutely insane market. Whole bunch of whole dollar rips to the downside. How many was that? That was 1, 2, 3 whole dollar rips. There was one. How much is that? That's another 83. That's 283. That is 76, 86. So that's 3 80s. Yeah. three whole dollars and 380 rips to the downside. All right, guys, I'm done. So target 76.15, I think it's hot, and then the top of this right here. I think this was a major move here, and I think it will want to revisit this, or at least the bottom of it. All right, iceberg waiting to get filled at 58. Looks like it's going to be another 100 iceberg. And no, that's a 50. And then another 50 iceberg at 71. All right, guys, very interesting day. Lots of trades called out. Lots of winners. And yeah, we're done. I'll see you guys live in the Thunderdome Tuesday morning. Again, I'm not going to be trading tomorrow or Monday. And then 2 weeks from now, I'm also going to be off from the 12th all the way to the 15th. But again, I'll make it up for you guys. I mean, I always give extra anyways. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's going to go. Looks like it's going to go. If I wasn't long, I would think about going long again at 60. Yeah, looks like it's going to hit 85 or 90 again. Here, I want to watch this. Let's see. Yeah, that was a lot of icebergs. 1,000. So it ate up into some of the gap. Most of the big hot, almost all of the big hot targets got hit. Let's see, I haven't looked at, wow. So very small distribution, and this is why we haven't seen POC move down. So POC is all the way up. Let's see where POC is. Completely lost track of POC. So most of the trades have taken place around 78.75. Where is POC? POC. Wow, it is all the way up there. Yeah. So lots of room to go and do outside in. Yeah, look at that. POC is at 79.05. 79.05. So $3 and something cents up. So lots of room. I think we'll definitely see these targets. Now it's giving me more conviction that it is a good trade up. So if I was on the trade and I had checked this, I would have been, yes, all right, stick to my trade. It's going to pay off. And here we are, going to go and see that 90. Target. 86 again. So I said we'll at least check that 86. Next target 76, and then a soft target of 07. So I would have been swelling bullets, but I would have been. Another perfect example. Stick to your trade. Be under leverage so you can survive. All right, guys, I'm done. It looks like we're going to hit our target here, and we are done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome.